Good morning and welcome to all BSc first year students of Fishery Science. Boys, during last part we have discussed and we have studied about the second semester paper 4th, that is fish seed production technology and hatcheries management. In this paper 4th, the first unit we have started, and in this first unit we have seen the article natural fish seed collection in India, how the natural seed these are to be collected from different sources of water from Indian regions. All these are to be discussed in two parts, part first and part second. During this third part, natural fish seed collection in India, gears used for collection of fish spawn, which gears or which nets these are to be used, which gear these are to be utilized, which gear these are to be undertaken for collection of the fish spawn from natural sources such as rivers, that is Brahmaputra river, Indus river, Narmada river, or that is the western river system of India. All this is to be discussed, means that is the gears used for collection of spawn in natural fish seed centers or the riverine sources of India we have discussed here. Here generally shooting nets, it is called as gamcha. Shooting net is called as gamcha, are used to collect the seed in the rivers. These are funnel shaped nets made up of fine mesh. Size of the mesh is to be 1.5 mm to 3 mm size. Size of the mesh is to be how much? 1.5 mm millimeter to 3 millimeter. And this funnel shaped net, these are to be prepared with handloom nettings. The posterior end has a small round opening fixed on a bamboo ring. A small turf-like receptacle gamcha is tied to the ring where live spawn is to be collected. The net is to be fixed in marginal waters where depth of water is negotiable, without any aid, without any addition, without any disturb. River margins with gradual slope are the most suitable sites. River margins with gradual slope these are to be occur, and river margin is the best source, best site to collect the seed from natural sources. Yes, water flow in the range of 20 to 60 centimeter per second is desirable. What is the range of water speed? Water speed range is to be 20 to 30 or 20 to 60 centimeter per second is to be desired. Means those water which is to be flow in that river, the flow of water is to be 20 to 60 centimeter per second is desirable. Means the net is to be fixed in marginal water where depth of water is negotiable, without any aid, means depth is to be less. River margin with gradual slopes are most suitable sites. Water flows in the range of 20 to 60 centimeter per second is desirable. It is operated in the shallow margins of flooded river. At the tail end of the net, there is a stitched or end-ring of split bamboo or cane, and to this is attached during the operation a receptacle termed the gamcha. A gamcha is a rectangular open piece of cloth. The seed moving along with the marginal current collects in the gamcha and is stored in hapas or container after the removal. These hapas or container, these are to be taken, these are to be used. Yes, that is, it is to be operated in shallow margins of flooded river. At the tail end of the net, there is a stitched ring of split bamboo or cane, and it is to this attached during the operation a receptacle termed the gamcha. A gamcha is a rectangular open piece of cloth The seed moving along with the marginal current collects in the gamcha and is stored in hapas or containers after removal. With this way, the seed these are to be collected, seed these are to be gathered. See the figure, that is the shooting net. See the figure, that is the shooting net. It is called as shooting net, or especially it is called as gamcha. See that this shooting net that is called as gamcha is shown in figure. Shooting net that is called as gamcha in this figure. Show that these are the bamboo poles. This is the bamboo poles. This is the bamboo pole. To these bamboo poles, this net these are to be tied in these four places. In these four places, this is the open end. This is the open end, and this is the closed end. Yes, where is the funnel shaped? It is to be with shaped, funnel shaped. Yes, this type. It is to be funnel shaped. The net is to be constructed, net is to be manufactured, and size of this mesh webbing or this mesh size कितनी है? It is to be 1.5 mm to 3 mm. In between these two holes, the diameter of that hole is to be how much? It is to be either 1.5 mm to 3 mm, 3 millimeter in size, and such diagonal, such funnel shaped net these are to be constructed. Netting, and this is the open end. In this open end, water these are to be entered. In this open end, water these are to be entered through this net, and when these are to be filtered, lastly these are the funnel quadrant. These funnel quadrant, that is the seed spawn, these are to be gathered, these are to be collected. This is called as the shooting net. And with this shooting net, with this gamcha, that is seed these are to be collected. These are to be fixed into the river slope where depth is to be slow and speed of water is to be, what is the speed of water? It is to be 20 to 60 centimeter per second speed these are to be maintained, and in such speed these net these are to be tied, these net these are to be hauled. What happens then? The spawn these are to be collected, these are to be gathered in this shooting net. In this shooting net, Bhenchi jal is used to collect the seed in Bengal. Midnapur net is also used in Bengal, especially in southwestern part to collect the seed. The Midnapur net these are to be used. The shooting net is fixed in the line with water current direction. The bamboo poles are fixed firmly at the selected site, and the net is fixed to the bamboo poles. Two bamboo poles are fixed near the mouth, and other two poles are fixed at the tail ring. The anterior end of gamcha is then tied around the tail ring. The gamcha is fixed in position with the help of two more bamboo poles. Those gamcha these are to be occur. These gamcha these are to be fixed tied in a way that these are to be not moving any direction. In order to select the spot of maximum availability of spawn within a specified stretch of the river concerned, a number of trial nets are simultaneously operated at a number of suitable spot. This net these are to be operated at different way, in a different angle, in a different margins. Continuously this net these are to be operated, hauled. हा जाळ किंवा हा नेट पुन्हा पुन्हा वापरायचा, पुन्हा सोडायचा, पुन्हा गोळा करायचा, पुन्हा सोडायचा. It will be operate trial and error, and this is to be used. The two bamboo poles are fixed near the mouth, and other two poles are fixed to the tail end. The anterior end of gamcha then tied around the tail end. The gamcha is fixed in position with the help of the two more bamboo poles. In order to select spot of maximum availability of spawn within a specified stretch of the river connected, a number of trial nets are simultaneously operated at a number of suitable spots. After selecting the spot, the operation is started with full battery of nets. Full battery of continuous 4 hours, 5 hours, these are to be done. Once it is done, the collection from the tail piece of each net is scooped one after the other in quick succession. जसजसं पाठीमागचा टेल एंड फिल होईल स्पॉननं, सीडनं, As these tail end, these are to be removed, new tail end is to be tied. Again these are to be fulfilled, these are to be removed, new tail end is to be tied. Every 15 minutes or depending upon the intensity of spawn, the containers or contents of the gamcha are then scooped immediately into a container half filled with river water. The collection is then passed through a mosquito netting sieve so that unwanted organisms and non-floating debris can be removed. These collected seed, these are to be again refiltered. Again these are to be refiltered with mosquito netting material, mosquito netting sieve like material. It is to be means that unwanted organisms and non-floating debris can be removed. The spawn are measured and kept in hapas. The spawn are measured and kept in hapas for conditioning, then transported to fish farm and stocked in nurseries. These hapas, these spawn, these are to be measured and kept in hapas for conditioning. For conditioning 10 to 15 days, these are to be kept into nursery pond, and after conditioning, these seed, these are to be transported to the fish farm and stocked in the nursery ponds. Stocking is to be done into the nursery ponds, means that is seed, these are to be collected by the natural sources by the different types of nets. That net may be either bhinchi jal, that net may be shooting net, that net may be Midnapur net, or that net may be, that is mosquito net, that is seed collection net. That net, these are to be used, that it is to be collected. See figure of Midnapur net as a Behundi jal. This is the Midnapur net, this is the open end. See, these are the poles, end reach to a particular depth, particular place. This is the open end, this is the mesh size, gamcha of mosquito of round mesh netting. This is the round mesh net, and this is the ring. Again these are the bamboo pole, these are to be supporting to this net, and this is behind net. As this net, these are to be tied. This is the size of this net is to be decrease to this size, and this net is to be very small, minute, small size. And with this, when water, these are to be moved from in this direction, water, these are to be moved from in this direction, what happens? Seed which is to be available in water, seed which is to be found in water, that seed, these are to be moved from this net, these are to be filtered, enter into this area, then these are to be enter into this ring, and then these are to be enter into the cord end where there is a tie, these are to be tied, a other loop is to be tied, and in this other loop, when these are to be fulfilled by the seed, fulfilled by the spawn, then these are to be removed, new hoop is to be tied, new other hoop is to be tied, and with this, these are to be continuously removing up to 15 to 20 minutes depending upon the intensity of spawn. These are to be collected, intensity of spawn, these are to be found in this jal, that is the Midnapur net. These are to be seen, Method of collection of spawn. To assess the availability of spawn, initially 2 to 3 spawn nets should be operated constantly. Method of collection of spawn, कुठली मेथड यूज केली जाते किंवा कुठली मेथड असेस केली. टू असेस द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ स्पॉन, इनिशियली 2 to 3 स्पॉन नेट्स हॉल्ड. सुरुवातीला 2 ते 3 वेळेस नेट वापरत हॉल्ड करायचा, नेट पाण्यात सोडायचं आणि बघायचं की किती क्वांटिटी आहे, किती सुटेबल सीड आहेत, साईड सुटेबल आहे का, त्यानंतर सुटेबल साईज आहे का, सुटेबल क्वांटिटी आहे का. देन नेट शुड बी ऑपरेटेड कॉन्स्टंटली ॲट सुटेबल साईट अँड द होल बॅटरी ऑफ नेट्स शुड बी देन बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ॲज सून ॲज स्पॉन बिकम अवेलेबल. जर तुम्हाला दिसले स्पॉनची अवेलेबिलिटी वाटली, सीड आहे वाटलं तर लगेच त्यात सोडून द्यायचं. द नेट शुड बी फिक्स्ड अलॉंग द रिव्हर मार्जिन्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ बांबू पोल्स अँड आर ॲडजस्टेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द चेंजेस इन फ्लड लेवल. पाण्याचा चेंजेस कसा आहे, पाण्याचा प्रवास कसा आहे, पाण्याचा प्रवाह फास्ट असेल किंवा स्लो असेल, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द फ्लड चेंजेस वी कॅन use the bamboo poles and adjust these bamboo poles according to the changes in flood level. At every 4 hours the net should be removed, cleaned and refixed. प्रत्येक 4 तासाला every 4 hours this net is to be removed, इट शुड बी रिमूव्ड, क्लीन्ड अँड रिफिक्स्ड. पुन्हा त्याला धुवायचं, पुन्हा साफ करायचं, पुन्हा रिफिक्स्ड. द फॉलोइंग flowing spawn are collected in the receptacle gamcha, from where they are scooped every 15 to 30 minutes depending upon the amount of spawn being collected. The collected spawn along with bigger sizes debris etc should be scooped from the receptacle. जे काही लार्जर साईज सीड आहेत किंवा जे काही घाण आहे, जी काही वेस्ट आहे, ऑल दीज आर टू बी scooped from the receptacle gamcha and transferred to the aluminum container. हुंडीज किंवा ॲल्युमिनियम कंटेनरमध्ये हे ट्रान्सफर करायचे. देन हाफ फिल्ड विथ वॉटर. द कलेक्शन शूड देन बी सीव्ड थ्रू द राऊंड मेस मॉस्किटो नेटिंग टू सेग्रिगेट स्पॉन फ्रॉम डेब्रीज अँड लार्जर स्पेसीज. जर सीड गोळा झाला असेल, काही स्पेसीज असतील, काही ॲडव्हान्स फिंगरलिंग असतील, ज्युएनाइल्स असतील, हे वेगळे करायचे, मड वेगळं करायचं, काही प्लांट पार्ट असतील, ट्विक पार्ट असतील किंवा डेब्रीज असेल, वेस्ट पार्ट असेल, ऑल दीज आर टू बी फिल्टर्ड, ऑल दीज आर टू बी रिमूव्ह. The collection should be done sieved through the round mass mosquito netting to segregate spawn from debris and other larger species, and the spawn should be conditioned in hapas. या हापामध्ये काय करायचं, क्लॉथ कंपार्टमेंट फिक्स्ड इन वॉटर. हापा इज टू बी नथिंग बट द ए कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ cloth. That compartment of cloth, these are to be fixed in water, which is to be conditioning to the seed. It is called as hapas. Before they are transported, these are to be kept into the hapas. Measurement of spawn should be done by special sieve cups. These are to be measured to a particular sieve cups. Usually early spawn measures about 500 individuals per ml. The seed collected from rivers are generally a mixture of seeds of major carps, minor carps, predatory fish, or the other catfishes. There is a mixture of seed. There is no a pure quality of seed. These are to be caught, captured, and usually these early spawn measures, these are to be available. These are to be measured by a 500 individuals per ml. The seed is to be collected and these are to be then measured by a special unit, and that special unit, these are to be measured. These special unit is nothing but the 10 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml and 500 ml. These are the units. These are the 10 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml and 500 ml. With this unit, 50 ml near about 500 spawn, 50 ml multiplied by 500 multiplied by 50, it is to be 2500. Again 100 multiplied by 500, it is to be 5000, and 500 multiplied by again 500 is to be near about 25,000 seed. These are to be, and these figures, these are to be indicated that these are the different figures show that instrument of fish seed counting 10 ml. This is the measurement instrument. This instrument is also used in our daily use, that is to measure the oil and to measure the milk. 10 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml, 500 ml. That is, with the help of these instruments we can measure the seed, those seed which is to be collected, and then these are to be transported and these are to be sold in the market according to the demand. With this seed, these are to be collected, seed these are to be gathered. It is called as seed collection by different types of nets. Hope you understand the collection of seed from natural sources, and collected seed, these are to be segregated and measured by instrument. Then we have see in next part again different things. Yes, thank you all of you.